This is the printing of Jake and Elwood for your birthday lamps that I'm making for you. Hi Alan. So this is the next stage of Jake and Elwood's lamp. I don't know if you can see. So we've chosen a base. It's blank, it's a piece of wood, and a way to shape it in a lamp base for Jake and Elwood's little statues to go on. So let you see some of it as I'm going. I don't know if you can zoom in on this. See, it's not round. I'm trying to make it round. It's going to take another wee while to do this. It's quite boring. So we'll switch off just now. So I've got the basic shape, but there's some damage bits in it, so I'm going to have to cut them out, and then I'll sand it down to make it nice and smooth, and then we'll wax it. You can see the shape. So after quite a bit of shaping and sanding, we've now got the shape of the base for your lamp. I'll have Jake and Elwood on here, and we'll have a copper tube and a little LED light that you can use to light them up. So I'm now going to wax it and make it shiny. So here's your lamp base. So being waxed up nice and shiny smooth. Take out the lathe. Take this off. Yeah, that's the base for Jake and Elwood's lamp for your birthday. So I'm going to take this bit of tubing. That's going to be the stem for your lamp, and that'll attach on here. Yeah, I'll cut that length. I think it looks best. And I'll fit the lamp head to the top of this. We've got a bit of artwork to do on Jake and Elwood and put them on the pedestal, and hopefully you like it. So I'm adding the final touches. I've made little bowls for Elwood and Jake, little garden of flowers, and I've done Elwood, and in the middle of doing Jake. There's Jake over there, slowly growing up. There's Elwood and Jake, and a little saying, a little garden for them. Hi hun, I know it's not going to be a nice day for you on your birthday. Yeah, so I'm not even, can't really wish you a happy birthday on the day, so with what's going on. No, I'll not get this through to you before your birthday, but I'll let you see what I've made for you. Yeah, sorry about Elwood. So this is for you. Okay, and I'll see you when I see you, and all the best. Love you.